Thank you, Cousin Ruby and Lily. No matter where you go in the world, wherever you hear the strains of the Hawaiian steel guitar, you will be reminded of Hawaii. And today we have one of Hawaii's finest steel guitarists. His name is Mr. Billy Hew Len. There's an unusual request for Billy to do a song called the Moana Chimes. And this will be Billy playing the steel guitar on his lap, the pancake steel guitar. Right now, here's Billy with the beautiful Moana Chimes.
Hawaii's contribution to the world of music is a steel guitar, or kika kila. It was invented in 1893 by Joseph Kikuku, a student at the Kamehameha schools. The story goes that Kikuku accidentally dropped a comb on his 6-string guitar, liked the sound, began to experiment with a pocket knife, and eventually designed a steel bar in the school shop. Satisfied, Joseph Kikuku introduced to his fellow students, and later to the world, the Hawaiian steel, a new method of playing the guitar.